Nowadays, saving electricity isn't just about financial savings. It's also about environmental responsibility. In the United States, where energy costs vary significantly from state to state, small changes in your daily routine can lead to big savings. This guide is designed to provide easy and effective strategies that anyone can apply to significantly reduce their electricity costs. We'll explore 5 key areas in detail: practical tips for lowering your electricity bill, identifying energy leaks, turning off unnecessary devices, reducing shower time, and switching from traditional light bulbs to LEDs. The first step to reducing your electricity bill is understanding how energy is consumed in your home. We are often unaware that small changes in our daily habits can result in significant savings. We'll give you 4 practical tips that anyone in the United States can easily implement. Appliances are major energy consumers in any American household. It's important to ensure that you're using them as efficiently as possible. For example, avoid opening the refrigerator door unnecessarily, as this makes the motor work harder to maintain the internal temperature. Also, use the washing machine only when you have a full load. Many modern machines in the US offer cold water washing options, which consume less energy. If you're thinking of replacing old appliances, look for Energy Star certified models, which are designed to be more energy efficient. In the US, air conditioning is one of the biggest culprits for high electricity bills, especially in hotter regions like the South and West. One way to reduce consumption is to set your thermostat a few degrees higher in the summer and lower in the winter. Each degree of adjustment can result in significant savings. Additionally, keep your air conditioner filters clean and perform regular maintenance to ensure the system operates efficiently. You might also consider investing in a smart thermostat that can learn your preferences and automatically adjust the temperature to maximize energy efficiency. One of the simplest ways to save energy is by using natural light during the day. Open your curtains and blinds to let sunlight illuminate your home. This not only reduces the need for artificial lighting, but also creates a more pleasant and healthy environment. In areas where natural light is limited, consider painting walls in light colors, which better reflect light, and use mirrors to increase the brightness of your spaces. In many American homes, especially in northern regions where winters are long and dark, making the most of daylight can make a big difference in your energy bill. In the US, various devices help monitor the energy consumption of appliances. Products like the Kill, what can be plugged directly into outlets and provide information on how much energy each appliance is using. With this information, you can identify the biggest energy hogs in your home and take steps to reduce their consumption. Some more advanced models even allow you to schedule the automatic shutdown of devices that aren't in use, preventing energy waste. These are just a few of the many ways to reduce your electricity consumption. The key is to always be aware of your consumption habits and look for ways to optimize your use of electricity. Small changes can yield big results over time. Energy leaks are a silent problem that could be increasing your electricity bill without you even knowing it. Identifying and fixing these leaks is essential to ensure you're not paying for energy you're not using. One of the first steps to identifying energy leaks is to observe your electricity meter. In the United States, most homes have digital meters that can be read remotely by the utility company. To check for leaks, turn off all the appliances in your home and see if the meter is still recording usage. If it continues to move, this could indicate an energy leak somewhere in your electrical system. In such cases, it's recommended to call an electrician to perform a detailed inspection and identify the source of the problem. Although less common in the US, the practice of tapping or unauthorized connections can occur in densely populated urban areas. These connections could be draining electricity from your home without your knowledge. If you notice an unexplained increase in your electricity bill or see your meter moving faster than usual, it could be a sign of an unauthorized connection. An electrician can help identify and resolve this type of issue. Old or poorly installed wiring can cause energy leaks, increasing your electricity bill. In the US, many homes built before the 1970s may have electrical systems that no longer meet modern standards. Check for exposed wires, hot switches, or flickering lights without an apparent cause. These are signs that there could be a problem with your home's electrical system. Additionally, faulty or poorly connected appliances can also consume more energy than they should. Make sure all your appliances are in good condition and working properly. Power surges are common in some regions of the US, especially during storms or in areas with older electrical grids. These surges can damage appliances and increase electricity consumption. Installing surge protectors is a way to prevent this kind of problem. These devices not only protect your appliances, but also help regulate the flow of electricity, preventing waste. Identifying energy leaks may seem like a complicated task, but it's a crucial step in ensuring you're not paying for wasted energy. With a little attention and the help of qualified professionals, it's possible to resolve these issues and significantly reduce your electricity bill. One of the most common mistakes people make is leaving electronic devices on or in standby mode when they're not being used. While the individual consumption of each device may seem small, the accumulated consumption can represent a significant portion of your electricity bill. Phantom consumption refers to the energy consumed by electronic devices that remain plugged in even when they're turned off or in standby mode. This includes devices like TVs, computers, cell phone chargers, and game consoles. Despite being in standby mode, these devices continue to consume energy, which can account for up to 10% of a household's total consumption. To combat this, consider using smart plugs that cut off power to devices when they're not in use. An effective way to combat phantom consumption is by using power strips with switches. These power strips allow you to turn off multiple devices at once, completely cutting off their power supply. This is especially useful for home offices, where many devices are used during the day but remain plugged in at night or over the weekend. By turning everything off with a simple button press, you can save energy effortlessly. In the United States, these power strips are easily found at electronics and home improvement stores. Many modern devices come with the option to schedule automatic shutdown after a certain period of inactivity. This feature is common in computers, televisions, and sound systems. Setting your devices to turn off automatically when not in use can help significantly reduce energy consumption. For example, if you usually fall asleep watching TV, set the device to turn off after 30 minutes of inactivity. Many devices in the US come with this feature built in, making the energy-saving process easier. Chargers for cell phones, tablets, and laptops are other examples of devices that consume energy when left plugged in, even without charging any device. Simply unplugging chargers when they're not in use can help reduce energy consumption. Additionally, it's important to remember that the excess heat generated by plugged-in chargers can reduce the charger's lifespan. Turning off unnecessary devices may seem like a small task, but the accumulated savings over time can be surprising. With a few simple adjustments to your daily habits, you can reduce your energy consumption and, consequently, your electricity bill. Showers are one of the biggest energy consumers in many households, especially when using an electric shower or water heater. Reducing shower time can have a significant impact on your electricity bill without compromising your hygiene or comfort. In the US, the water heater is responsible for a large portion of energy consumption in many homes. Depending on the type of heater and the length of showers, it can account for up to 30% of the electricity bill. That's why reducing the time you spend in the shower is one of the most effective ways to save energy. For example, if each family member reduces shower time by 5 minutes, the savings can be significant over a month. Additionally, consider switching to Energy Star certified water heaters for even more savings. A practical way to reduce shower time is by using a timer. Many smartphones have this function, or you can purchase a shower-specific timer. Setting a time limit for your shower helps create greater awareness of the time spent and naturally encourages reduction. This is especially useful in families with children or teenagers who tend to take longer showers. In the United States, shower timers are easily found at home improvement stores and large online retailers. Another tip is to adjust the water heater temperature to a level that's comfortable but not excessively hot. The higher the water temperature, the more energy is consumed. In the US, the recommended ideal temperature for water heaters is around 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps save energy while still providing enough hot water for your daily needs. Additionally, lowering the temperature can extend the heater's lifespan and reduce the risk of accidental burns. If the electric water heater is a major culprit in your electricity bill, consider alternatives like gas or solar water heaters. While the initial investment may be higher, these systems tend to be more economical in the long run. Additionally, many utility companies in the United States offer incentives for installing solar heating systems, which can reduce the upfront cost. Evaluate the options available in your area and see which one best fits your situation. Reducing shower time doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. It's about adopting a more conscious use of energy. With a few simple changes, you can save money while also contributing to a more sustainable use of resources. Lighting is another important aspect of energy consumption in a home. Replacing incandescent or fluorescent bulbs with LEDs is one of the easiest and most effective ways to reduce energy consumption. LED bulbs are known for being highly efficient in terms of energy consumption. They use up to 85% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last up to 25 times longer. This means that, in addition to reducing your electricity bill, you also save on the cost of replacing bulbs. In the long run, switching to LEDs represents significant savings in both energy and maintenance. In the United States, LED bulbs are widely available and often come with discounts or incentives offered by utility companies. LED bulbs are available in different color temperatures, which can range from warmer, yellowish, light to cooler, white light. Choosing the right color temperature for each room can improve the quality of lighting and energy efficiency. For example, warmer lights are ideal for resting areas like bedrooms and living rooms, while cooler lights are better for work areas like offices and kitchens. Another advantage of LED bulbs is the ability to adjust their intensity. In many spaces, like living rooms and bedrooms, the lighting needs can vary throughout the day. Using dimmable LEDs allows you to adjust the light intensity according to your needs, which contributes to energy savings. Additionally, this feature can create more comfortable environments tailored to different activities at home. In the US, many light switches are compatible with dimmable LED bulbs, making the transition easier. In many US states, there are incentive programs for replacing old bulbs with LEDs. These programs can offer discounts on bulb purchases or even free replacement of the bulbs in your home. Check with your utility company or local government to see if there's a program available in your area and take advantage of this opportunity to save. Switching from traditional bulbs to LEDs is a simple change, but can have a significant impact on your energy consumption. Besides financial savings, this practice also contributes to a more sustainable environment since LEDs have a longer lifespan and are more energy efficient. Reducing electricity consumption is an achievable goal for anyone in the United States, regardless of the size of your home or the number of devices you use. The tips presented in this guide, from efficient appliance use to switching to LED bulbs, are practical and easy to implement. In addition to lowering your electricity bill, these measures contribute to a more conscious and sustainable use of energy. Remember that every small change counts, and over time, the benefits accumulate, providing not only financial savings but also a positive impact on the environment. If you're committed to saving energy, start applying these tips today and see how much your electricity bill can decrease.